everybody. So this painting is sold with the frame. So I've got another similar frame, not quite as gilded. So I'm going to do another similar pour, but I'm going to add more. I'm going to add pearl deep brown and silver. Whoa! Like falling over on here. So this is a 16 by 20 canvas. Hopefully, like the last video, this won't cut out on you. And this is the painting from that last video, which is phenomenal. And I really wish you had seen how I had done it. It is such a bright, cheery, and I worked so hard, like tilting it the exact ways to get it how I wanted it. And then none of it was on camera. I don't know what happened. It didn't show that it had overheated. It just stopped. So, I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to use black, white, I've got gold, copper, well, there's like almost nothing left of the copper, pearl deep brown, and I'm not using silver. Every time I use silver, I hate it. So, but I may use pearl space gray instead of Payne's gray. I'll do that. Gloves on and get started, because I only have a little bit of battery left on my phone. Well, my son kept needing me today, so that could be why Oh, and all my white paint is gone too, so this is really just a one-off. Oh, there is not enough. Man. Well, I thought I could rub that in, but it's going to end up. That stinks. So, we'll see if I have a tinier canvas available. There, the cursed canvas. Let's see if we have enough paint to cover this darn thing. And then we'll see how these colors work. Hopefully there is enough. Oh, I do have white in my squeeze bottles, so that's good. My battery's dead, my paint is gone. It's like somebody else was living my life. Well, I was not here. Speaking of that, is anybody watching that Paul Rudd show on Netflix where he has like an alternate self, like a clone? I keep trying to watch it and I just can't get into it. Now the pearl deep brown, which is a beautiful color. It's ARTEZA. It's a really pretty color. Gold, which is, gold. It's actually the copper color I like in that other one that really shined through. This is ARTEZA Pearl Space Gray. And the copper. hard on this one, getting it all the way off the edges. Just because it's a smaller canvas, and I thought I could play around with it a little bit more. Cool. Turned out great. It's such a simple technique that somehow half the time just kicks your butt and doesn't go well. Alright, so now I have another sample one to go with. I'm going to have like a whole collection of these now. And it's interesting, I'll show you. So this one was the first one I did, and it had a lot more Payne's gray in it. This one obviously a lot more black, considering I added all that black at the end. Very cool. I love it. And I love this one. And then this one, I wanted it to all stay in the middle. So differences with the same technique and very similar colors. Thank you for watching. Bye.